a very nice and melodic duet to try your musical explorations in an ensemble with another violinist. This is a wonderful little duet to try. It's short, first position, lots of open string opportunities, but of course you can substitute that with a fourth finger. So really try to make things as smooth as you can, connect the notes as much as you can, and that will of course create a much more pleasant musical experience for everyone. I'm including my MP3 backing files for both first violin and second violin only on Patreon, as well as the PDF of this music. So if you want to take advantage of that, join my Patreon page. You will see the supported material for this little duet. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.